Welcome to this prototyping tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to wireframe a travel website in under 2 minutes using MockFlow's Genius AI, and then bring it to life with MockFlow's built-in prototyping feature. Inside the MockFlow Wireframe Pro editor, click on Genius AI and select Generate UI Layout. We'll generate a travel website wireframe for a travel agency by entering a simple prompt followed by clicking on Generate UI. Once generated, the wireframe can be easily edited and customized to suit your design needs. Next, we'll add an image carousel prototype. We've already created images along with the left and right arrow buttons. Select the arrow button component on the wireframe, open Manage Interactions, choose mouse click as the trigger, and set Replace Component as the action. Then, replace the current Barcelona image with the Marseille image. Apply a fade in effect, and adjust the time delay to create a smooth, seamless transition. Repeat the same steps for the remaining arrows in other images, making sure to apply the same fade in effect and time delay for consistency. Now, group the wireframe and set the home page as the primary container so it appears correctly in view mode. Switch to view mode to see the prototype in action. You'll notice that only the home page is visible, and clicking the arrows smoothly transitions between images using the defined fade in effects and time delays.